Yeah, hello everyone. Good morning. Happy new month to every one of us. I'm very sorry that I recorded this video late, a bit late, because I have a very tight schedule. So, but at least I would try to explain and show us what has happened in the month of February, just to encourage every one of us using the Agent Pro or Bull EA. Now, first of all, let me show you one of the uh, what do we call it account that I've been running this software on my server. Let's launch this server. Okay, this is a server, and this account is a live account. Um, there are many ways you can. It depends on your understanding about forex trading. Like I used to tell all my followers, forex trading is not meant for quick cash. Many people goes put their money and they blow it off because of lack of understanding. When you put money in the forex, that doesn't mean you can double your account, but that can give you a good return in a long term. Long terms started from 3 months. Is 3 months is even a short term anyway, but 3 months, 6 months, 1 year and above. And if you look at genuine investments, you are talking about a years above. So now, when you are trading forex, what I normally tell my follower, because I've been in the position whereby my mindset was like I put money because I want to quickly double it. So it has cost me a lot of losses until I understand the concept. Remember that this forex, I mean, this business we are doing is being done by big financial institution as well. And imagine you put $100, $1,000, even $50,000 in your account, and you don't know how to manage it. These big dogs in the market will take it from you. We are talking about people that decide the direction market will go. People that have billions of dollars, hundred thousand of dollars in their account. You are competing with them, so you have to be smarter to be in the same position they are. So having said that, if you look at this account, we have 109,372.26. This is not the real dollar. When we started this account, I deposited $1,000 in this account, $1,000. But for me to be able to cope with the pressure of the market and to make sure that I'm in the always at the side of the people that make decision where the price will go in the market, what did I do? I changed the 1,000. I converted my 1,000 to become cent. But the logic behind it is that when you convert your money to cent, you have huge amount of money. Forex platform doesn't recognize cent or dollar. What it's recognized is just a digit, number and digit. So that's all. So now, to prove that, the situation of the market, the situation of the account as of today, this morning, is what we are seeing here. Yes, I traded a lot of PS because what? I have a lot of volume. So having a lot of volume does not mean I will not even protect the account, because I've seen people that told me they lost 1 million, they lost $10 million in forex because they don't manage that huge opportunity they have. Because once you have digit about five to six, 7 digits in the market, I don't see the reason why you should wipe that kind of money. This is about if you look at my own scenario now, this is about 6 digits. Wiping 6 digits is not easy unless you are too greedy or you don't understand what you are doing in the market. So now, to prove that, I'll first of all show us when did we deposit money in this account. This is when we deposited this money. This is 100,000 cents, which is $1,000. You know, it was deposited on January 7, 2021, 10 o'clock in the morning. Or maybe 10 o'clock in the morning. So now, That is number one thing. And how far have we gone with the account? The account has been traded since then up to today, and we sometimes this is getting funny to me because when this what the profit is more than this for now, but I'm going to explain that. Okay, so now if you go back to trade, $1,000 is 100,000, and we are seeing here 1,109,372 cents. That means in this account we have raised $93 as profit. Yeah, in January 7, February 7 make it 1 month. March 7 will make it 2 months. But I'm not going to consider that. I'm going to consider 1 month for the month of February, but I'm just showing you overall. There's nothing to hide in this. It's a plain something. So now this account has given us, let me first of all check overall result. This is overall result. Now let me scrape the result out. I'm still going to paste the result on the platform for anybody who want to confirm what I'm saying here. This is how the money was deposited, and sometimes we withdrew this sometimes ago. But the one that is really matters to me is when we really deposited this money back in the account and we start running it. So now if we go down, now let's try to interpret this. For the whole time that we put this money in the account, we have run the relative drawdown is 7.11%. I normally tell all of us that actually we have $100,000 cents in the account, but that doesn't mean we are using the 100,000 cents. Out of the 100,000 cents for couple of a month and few weeks that this thing has been trading, the software only exposed 7.11%, which is 8,000, which is 82 cents. 82 cents. Good. So that is 82 cents, and from 82 cents, the total profit is 45 cents. So that is what the account has made in a month and few weeks, sorry to say. So now we can see that the drawdown is relatively okay, because when a software can use between 1% to, for me, 1% to 30% drawdown, I still see it as a viable trade. But there's one funny thing that is still funny to me in this statement, which is not clear. Remember, we deposited 100,000 cents and we have 109. So the balance, our balance is this now. So I'm expecting the account to show $93 on top of the profit, but I don't really know what really happened here. Maybe because there's some deposit and withdraw we've done in this account in the past, because if you look here, 2020 October 29, 2020, we withdrew 87,000 cents. So I don't know, maybe all this one affected what is there, but the right thing is we deposited this money, 100,000 cents, and by now we have 93. We have let me see again. This thing is everybody. It's a clear thing. There's no magic in this, so you can check. Okay, this what the balance is. So I'm expecting from 100,000. If you remove this, we have 9,370, which is $93. We have $93 profit on $1,000. Let's just keep it so simple. So now this is how far the account has gone in less than 2 months. And if you look at this, that means we have made 9% of our capital. 9%. If I'm going to consider the whole amount we deposit, but if I'm going to consider what happened here, which is 7.11 drawdown, and we make 93, that is exactly how to evaluate your return on your investment, because you didn't put 100,000 cents as your investment. You put $82 as your investment. You get $93 back. You understand? That's why the maximum drawdown is always there. So now, let me now say, okay, we want to do custom 1 month custom, which is let me see. And I won't say today. Okay, let's say February 1 to the last day of February. February 1 to the last day in February. Which is 28th. Yeah, this is the real report I will need for the month of February. So I think this is the right one for the month of February. So now let's extract it. Extract the details. Then I'll put this one as hyphen February. Yeah, this is what is going to go to. This is March 3rd. We extracted it. But if you look at here, we see what is this? Okay, the trade closed at February 1. Yeah, that's why it picked this February trade, the month of February trade. So let's go down and see what happened. You see, this is how our chart look in month of February. And if you look at February, how much did the software exposed? Amount of money that the software exposed is our investment. So what we made back in that month of February is our return. So if you look at maximum drawdown here again, we have the software exposed 2.3% of the money of the capital of 100,000 cents, which is 2,503 cents. And how much is our profit? How much is our profit that we made back from this? We have, you invested $25 to get $35 back. That is just the explanation. That's just the way you have to evaluate what happened to your account on a monthly basis. So now we have, because this thing doesn't lie, at least it will give you a picture of what really happened to you, to your account, to your investment within a month. So now we saw that total net profit is $35 and total investment is $25.03. So I think this is clear enough. If anybody have a question, you can ask. But this is how you're going to evaluate yourself every month, weekly, daily. It's very clean and it's very open. There's nothing so difficult in that. But let me quickly do something, because I'm doing all this thing in my server, inside the server. So I want to import all of them to my computer so that I can load it to the what do we call it? We load it to the group so that anybody can evaluate it. It's not a big deal. So let me say Feb. Let me paste it here. Yeah, I'm going to paste it there so that I'll upload it to the group after the good. Now let me go back to the chart. This one is gone. Okay, let me delete. So for me not to weigh down my server, I normally tell us to delete. All these things need to be deleted so that our server will be free. Good. Then I'm going to empty my bin. I want the server not to have a load so that it can process my stuff. Okay, good. Now if you look at how many software I use to trade here, I use Bull. This is the Bull, and my setting for Bull, for some of us that are using Bull on our account, you see the Bull AA. This is my settings, and my martingale level is 10 and my risk level is 7. You see, my distance is 30, my take profit is 24. That is what I use for the month of February. But because I didn't see any surge in the market, so I'll still retain it for the month of March. Then this one is Agent Pro, and my settings is, I don't care to share the settings because sharing the settings will help all of us to, to understand uh, how it works, because there's nothing to hide away from each other here. It's to help everybody to understand what we are doing. So you can see this is a sell position, and the martingale level is 99. This 99 have a lot of risk, because I've seen one of the pair that has picked 1 point something. I want to always avoid to pick one standard lot in my trade. So I'm going to change this. I'm going to change this later, but not now. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to leave it like that. And if you look at there, this is a buy. I think this is a buy chart. Yeah, this is a buy chart. The same thing applicable. My risk level is 2. That is when software will pick 10 cents. All right. But if we go down, let me scroll down and show us something. Well, by the time you you understand how the software works, it's to give you a lot of relief. Now look at pounds JPY. It has already pending 1.44. So I don't want anything that will be accumulating. That means pounds JPY is ranging for a very long time. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to come to the chart that whole, yeah, this pounds, this bull. Let me check what is the configuration inside the bull. Yeah, the bull, and martingale level of bull 2 is 99. This would be a mistake, a big one. So I'm changing this one to 11 will okay. Okay, let me change it to 11. And risk level, my risk level, I'm going to change it to 7. Yeah, I'm going to change my risk level to 7. Yeah, please guys, because the reason why I'm doing that is I don't want when market is not behaving normally, I don't want to accumulate too much trade. So this should be the best thing for me. But now under the bull we don't have what you call manual confirmation. I didn't put it in the software, but I'm going to change this. I'm going to close it like that. Then let me come to you see this one too is 99. I don't want to make it 99 again, so I'm going to change this to 11, martingale level 11. That means it's going to pick what do we call it? It's going to pick lot size 11 times. So I don't want it to be going to something that it will be taking too much what do we call it? So I'm going to close. Or because this one have opportunity for, it gave us, this software gave us opportunity to do what? Let's make our our manual confirmation to be true, so that when it closes it won't open. Then I can come and readjust my trade. So let me look at the second chart, because once you understand how the software works, it's going to make life easier for you. So 11, then I'm going to make my manual confirmation to become true. When it is true, that means when it closes, it will open another trade. Then I'll come back and come and fix whatever thing I want to fix on pounds JPY. Because you will remember what I said. You see, pounds JPYs have already positioned 1.44. So I don't want to let it accumulate too much, so that I won't have much drawdown. So that is just by the way. Now that we have done that, you can see, you can understand. If there's any question in the group, please put it there. I'll explain better. Have a wonderful day and enjoy your trading section further. So bye bye to everyone.